So hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to explain another chart pattern, which is diamond chart pattern. So let's go. First we will see how this chart pattern made and what is its indications. First we will see what is diamond pattern. A bearish diamond formation or diamond top is a technical analysis pattern that can be used to detect a reversal following an uptrend. However, bullish diamond pattern or diamond bottom is used to detect a reversal following a downtrend. When you trade a bearish diamond chart pattern, you should comply with the following rules. Confirm the diamond pattern by discovering relatively big trading volumes. Sell when the price breaks the lower right side of the diamond. Place a stop loss order above the last top inside the diamond shape on the chart.